Okay, so today we have an unboxing of this cheeky physique. We'll go over kind of, I'll unbox it and then I'll actually use it today with my rose hip oil for my face. So it's just kind of a sandalwood glow gua sha tool. So we're going to use that. And this is kind of like the user guide. It kind of goes over where we should use it on the face, like the different directions you should go, and then how to use it. So taking it out of this bag, this is kind of what it looks like. It's very small and very sleek, as you can see. So in order to use it, this is my first time using it, so I'll go through that too. So the first thing is that we're going to apply some facial oil to the face. I just have my rose hip oil for this. And you'll also apply it to the neck area. And then, so as you can see, there's like a couple different directions you could go. But basically, you just kind of slide it along in the different directions to kind of really get that to slide across your face, and the different edges you use for like different parts of your face and everything. So we'll see how it works, but it's really sleek, like I said, and it does really seem to be able to kind of spread that oil out. I know I kind of put it all over my face already, but the goal of it was to kind of get it to use kind of just to rejuvenate your face. So, and then you can actually use the tapered end to massage around your eyes as well, which is kind of cool. So yeah, we'll see how it works. It seems to be working pretty well. Definitely feeling kind of rejuvenating for my face, and then hopefully it'll help prevent any sort of wrinkles and like improve the circulation to my face. So yeah.